everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to convert the HEIC to JPG on iPhone without any applications converter. So you just need to open the photo library on your iPhone. And what is HEIC? It's a picture or the format of the picture that you get after using the iPhone camera. So how to check it? You just need to open the picture that you just take with your camera and then just go click this I symbols, and you will see here there will be an HEIF or HEIC. So to convert this into JPG, you just need to go back, and now you just need to go click select and just choose which file that you want to convert here. So let's say I would like to convert these two, and then after that you just need to go click this three small dot in the down part right here and just go click copy. And now you just need to go back into your home screen and let's open the file. And in this part you just need to creating the folders that you want to place the convert result later. And after that you just need to go click and hold the screen of the folder that you already opened, and there will be pop up several options here, and then you just need to go click paste. And now this picture will be automatically converted from HEIC into JPG. How to check it? You just need to go click this part, and you can see now the format is already JPEG or JPG. So that's the way how to convert your photo from HEIC to JPG on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.